Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi e-commerce site build. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. In this series of videos we're going to be putting together this online store or e-commerce site with the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. If you don't have it, you can download it from a link below. It is a premium template, so you'll need to pay for it, and you can use my affiliate link below, but if you don't want to, just go to elegantthemes.com and you can get it straight from their site. If you build WordPress sites though, I would recommend this theme. It is so versatile and easy to use. Okay, this is where we left off in our last video. I'm going to be changing all this down here, but for the time being, let's put in a secondary menu at the top. Let's use our primary blue color that we've been using here for it. And let's, when this scrolls, it turns to that sort of purpley color and shrinks a bit. It's okay, but I think I want mine to stay perhaps white and not to shrink quite so much when we do scroll. So let's get that organized. So let's go to our dashboard. First thing, we need to create some menus. I'm just going to create some generic menus. We'll change these later on when we've got actual pages we want to add. So let's just create a new menu. Hit the create new menu, link up the top here. We'll give it a name, and I'll just call it main test, because we will be changing this. I don't know if I'll use it or create another one. So hit create menu button, and let's just add the pages I want to add to this. We'll go, that's fine right now. I don't want to add the sample page. I've selected those and I'm going to add them to the menu. So there we are. We've just got 5 items in there. We'll save that. Now we want to go to our Divi theme customizer. If we go down to Divi and theme customizer, okay, once our customizer is loaded, we want to change a couple of things here. When we scroll, that's shrinking down and it's turning to this bluey purple color, which is okay, but I want mine to be just slightly off-white. And also, I don't want it to actually shrink down when that happens. I want it to stay the same height. So if we go to header and navigation, let's look at our primary menu bar. And at the moment, the height is 70. So what I want, if we go back, is to go down to fixed navigation settings. And I want to put the fixed menu height to 70. You can use your slider, or you can just type in the amount like I've done there. Now when I scroll, that shouldn't change height. It will still change color though. There we go. It's staying the same height. Now let's change the color. I want it to be white, well, pretty much white. Just slightly off-white, let's say. No, that's pretty much white, but it's just slightly off of white. So now when I scroll, that should turn white, which that's going to work for me. On these pages here, it really doesn't make a lot of difference, but on the checkout and cart pages, this will make a difference, because you don't want that being transparent for them, because when you scroll up, if I just demonstrate by bringing that down, you can have all this stuff. You're not going to be able to read that menu because of that. So let's take that back up and check it's working. Yep, I'm happy with that. That's fine. So let's publish that. And next thing I want to do is I want to add that little menu that I put in here. So we've got not quite as many items. Obviously, we're going to change this later when we've got more pages. And to do that, we want to go back and go down to menus. For our locations here, primary menu, I want to put that new one in, main test. So now that's shrunk down to less items. And I don't want to include the search bar on that. So if we go back and back again, header elements, just uncheck the show search button there, and that gets rid of that little search icon there. Now this menu, I'm probably going to have it aligned over here. We'll do that in a little while. What I want to do next is add a secondary menu above this. We'll have it this blue color here. Let's go back to menus, locations. Secondary menu, all I need to do is put that one in there as well, and it'll appear up the top here. There we go, and it's the wrong color, so I want to make it this color right here. Plus I'm going to customize it and make it larger and have the text probably align left, not sure yet. So let's go back and back again. Now let's go to our header and navigation, down to our secondary menu bar. Now here I want to put in the blue that I've been using, which is that 10 CACA color. Leave the font as it is. And let's just save that. Actually, before we do, let's make that font size a little bigger. Make it say 16. So I want it to be very clear when people are using it. I mean, we could actually make that background color transparent. And the text blue like the other one. But we'll have to change that on other pages. Let's just play. Let's the text color at 10 CACA. There we go, that's legible. But again, like I say, I'm going to have it over here somewhere, or perhaps central. When we scroll, it's remaining see-through there, which is kind of interesting. I think we'll make it the same color as that. So let's publish that. You can always change this as a later date. And go down to our fixed navigation settings. And check this is going to work. Yep, that's turned it green. So let's make it the same color as our other one, which was just slightly off-white, wasn't it? There we go, they're both the same color there. And again, like I say, I'm going to change these slightly so that's more probably in the middle, and I'm going to make those over to the left too. So we'll do that in another video because this one's rolling on a bit here. I'm just going to make those slightly bigger, stay in line with those. I'll make those 16. Let's go back to our primary and text size, let's make that 60. Okay, let's publish that and exit. Let's go back and refresh our page. There we go. Now what I'm going to do in the next video is I'm going to move these over. I'm going to customize the link color and the hover effect, and we'll move this over so you can see it better. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, please like, subscribe and share our videos. If you're interested in web design, please take one of our web design courses below. We've got some huge discounts for our YouTube viewers. There's also some great free courses down there, so take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.